Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's candle of the week, guys, I'm gonna bring you this beautiful combination. I'm gonna be blending these two beautiful oils from Candles and Supplies for an enchanting trick, guys, for an enchanting experience. If this is something you would like to see, please consider subscribing, okay guys? So let me tell you what we're gonna do for today's project, okay? First, of course, the two beautiful oils from Candles and Supplies, okay? Then, so for this project, I'm gonna be using this beautiful vessel. This is the new Monaco 2.0 from 1617, guys. I'm gonna be triple wicking these, guys. I'm gonna be using a triple CDN number 3. For this application, I'm gonna be using number 7 wax candle, guys, because I always get amazing results. And I'm gonna be needing for this also, guys, all these goodies, okay? I'm gonna be needing the wick stickers, of course, the triple wicks. I'm gonna be needing a beaker to measure the fragrance oils, and I'm gonna be needing this Pyrex cup because I'm gonna be doing this in the microwave like I always do. Okay, I'm gonna be needing a thermometer and a spatula. And guys, for this candle, if you go to 1617, guys, they have these beautiful dust covers, guys, when in gold and in white. Okay, for specifically for this candle, guys, it's gonna look amazing. Okay. So let me just gather the wax and everything else, guys, and I'll be right back. Yeah! Before we go any further, I'm gonna give you some information about the fragrance oils that I chose for this project, guys. Okay, the first one is gonna be smoked saffron fragrance oils. This is from Candles and Supplies. Again, I'm gonna link everything below, guys. So let me read you the details that they have on the website. A rare blend of herbaceous Davana combined with smoked saffron enhances the heart of cocoa and leather, which is rounded with our warm amber and cedarwood. Okay. Oh my god, guys, so I went to Google and I asked because I was curious. I didn't know what Davana was, so let me just read you what I found. The aroma of Davana oil has been compared to a blend of various scents, including ripe apricots, plums, strawberries, and mangoes. It has a warm, rich sweetness that is often described as honey-like, reminiscent of vanilla. Some people also detect a subtle herbal or spicy note on the fragrance, okay? The top note for these, guys, it's orange blossom, Davana, smoked saffron, Indian cardamom. Guys, the opening note, it's so epic. It just blends so well, and then it goes back into the middle notes of tobacco leaf, cocoa, which is very delicate, you know, which is like, you know, when you eat a very expensive chocolate, you know, rose water and leather makes the story even better. A base note is gonna be Tahitian vanilla, you know, everything with vanilla, everything is like super comforting, cedarwood, patchouli, and warm amber. That's why by itself this is amazing. But I decided to go also amber rose and vanilla. The description for this, the details for this for amber rose and vanilla is a garden of roses will surely make you smile and inspire this lovely aroma of roses in bloom, surrounded by sweet angelica and white gardenia, supported by golden amber and earthy patchouli. This is a story of love, guys. This is like watching a novela. Oh my god. Okay, the top notes for this is gonna be American Beauty Rose, Jasmine, Bergamot, Angelica. Again, another storytelling fragrance. The middle note is Moroccan Roses, Gardenia, and Patchouli. And the bottom notes, Cashmere, Sandalwood, Amber, and Vanilla. This is a match made in heaven, guys. This is amazing, guys. I highly recommend you guys try this blend equal parts and you're gonna be in heaven. Okay, now let me read you a little bit of information about the Monaco 2 vessel from 1617. Okay, it's so beautiful, guys. The shape is so different, it's so unique, so bougie, so sophisticated, you know, that I'm pretty sure a lot of you are gonna love to have this on your candle line. Okay, so let me just show it to you one more time. Our new and improved Monaco ceramic vessel is back better than ever. The perfect new shape of Monaco 2.0 has curved rather than geometric interior, making this vessel easier to wick and even more elegant than before. Perfect for triple wicking, the wide diameter creates an outstanding hot throw. Beautiful. Monaco is an absolute must for any candle maker. Okay, guys, look at this beauty again. Let me show you the inside. It is epic. Okay, guys. So let's see. Let me read you more information. So for this candle, guys, these are the numbers. The candle itself is gonna take a total fill of 15 ounces. Okay, that includes the wax and the fragrance oil. Okay, now for the fragrance oil, I want to use a 10% fragrance load. So for that, I'm going to be needing 1.5 ounces of fragrance oils. Okay, and being that I'm using two of these combined, So equal parts of each one is going to be 0.75 each. That will give me a total of 1.5 ounces. Okay. Now, because we have 1.5 ounces of fragrance oil, we subtract that from the total of 15 for the total fill, and that's going to give us a total of 13 ounces of number 7 wax. Okay, guys. So 13.5 ounces of wax and 1.5 ounces of fragrance oil. Okay, guys. Yes. Okay. So let me get the wax. I'm gonna measure everything first off camera, guys, and I'll be right back. Yes! Okay, guys, so let's wick the candle, but in the meantime, I'm gonna place it in the microwave on at high to warm this up to 220 degrees, okay? Let me do it right now for 6 minutes. Okay, so for wicking this vessel, guys, you can either do it by eye, but I'm gonna be using this wick centering tool that I got at Northern Candle Supply. I'm gonna put all the details down below, guys. Okay, so this is the piece that is gonna guide me to center the wick. Okay, this is for a triple wick. Okay, this is for my other candles. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here. The way this works is you place the wicks right over here, guys. This is very useful. So then it comes in here. What I like to do is I like to pinch them at the bottom. Okay, so they get secure there. While I'll put the stickers. Okay, so now you have in here the three different CDN number 3s. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put the stickers on. I'll place the sticker on them. Okay, then let me just take the sticker out and take the vessel. I place the contraption on top, as you can see. Let me show you. Okay, and then you just press and you press. Okay, you need to have full contact. You have to make sure that this sticks to the vessel. So you just press really hard, okay? And then you just take the end of the wick out, guys, and then let me show you. Perfection, okay? So it's right there. This way now you know that they're gonna be there securely and even out spaces. Ideally, I like to space them an inch and a half apart, okay? At the center of the vessel. And then I have this in here. This is to secure the wicks, guys. Make sure that I match to wherever the wicks go. I'll show you now. Okay, so this is now completely wick and all secure. Okay, guys. I'm gonna put the link of this tool down in the description box. Okay. Okay, so let's put this aside. Now we're gonna wait for the wax to come to temperature, guys, and then we're gonna be mixing these together. Let's wait for the wax to come to heat, guys, and I'll be right back. You must wear an oven mitten like this for safety issues, guys. Otherwise, you know, you could get burned. It's very hot. Okay. Okay, the temperature is 211. It's perfect to pour the oils. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna pour the oils and I'm gonna leave them undisturbed for a few seconds, guys. Okay, I want them to start getting to know each other. Okay, then let me tell you how long it went without even stirring. Okay, it went down to 206. You see, that's why give them a few seconds, and now you take the spatula and then you start mixing. With number 7 wax, you only need to stir 20 seconds, okay? So let's see how the temperature goes down. Okay, so it went to 185, and that's the temperature that we can pour, but I'm gonna give you a few more seconds because I wanna make sure that the wax and the fragrance oils are really blended really well, okay? I wish you were here because it smells so good! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be so excited, guys. This candle is gonna be magical. Magical, guys. Okay, still 185. I'm gonna wait until it goes down to 180. Okay, you know, when I do something like this is what I love making candles so much, guys, because it gives me so much emotion. It brings me so much joy to do this, to bring this to you guys. You know, that's why I like to do these candles of the week every week for you. You know, it's just something that really like makes me happy. You know, I've been down for these past days because my channel is not doing that well. You know, but you know what? Life is like that. Life is ups and downs, so you have to go with the ride and just try to make it the best. Okay, guys? That's why, to me, this is like therapy. You know, just bringing this to you and sharing the way I feel. You know, and because you understand, we're all humans. You know, and yeah, you know, it's something that it has no price. It has no price. Okay, it's down to 181. Time to pour. Okay, so again, just put this to the side in here. Put my oven mitten because safety first. Okay, let me just put this away. We don't need that. Okay, so here we go. Come on, beautiful. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you the name of the candle. Saffron Noir. Yes! Come on, baby. Saffron Noir. Come to life. Oh, my goodness. Look. Ooh, come on. Beautiful, beautiful. And you see what I told you, guys? I'm making a mess, but I have the towel in there. No big deal. Okay, perfect. 15 ounces total fill. I think it's perfection. Okay guys, I'll be right back once the candle solidifies, okay? Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back. Let me introduce to you Saffron Noir. Here it is, yes! Okay guys. The CT. The CT is amazing. It's truly a work of art, guys. This combination of these two oils, guys, from Candles and Supplies, Amber Rose Vanilla and Smoked Saffron, guys. This is a match made in heaven, guys. I highly recommend that you try this mix, guys. Or if you want to try them separately by themselves, they're also epic, okay? But I'm so happy with this result. I'm not gonna light it up yet, guys, because it's not fully solid, guys. But look at how beautiful the finish is, guys. Look at the gold. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, you know, and like the video, and also share my content with all your friends and family, guys. I want to grow to even more, guys, in YouTube, guys. By doing that, you're going to help me out, okay, guys? Thank you so much for spending the time with me, guys. I'm so happy with the result of this beautiful candle. I want to thank 1617 for sending me this beautiful vessel, you know, and I'm going to put all the details down below in the description box and with all the links where you can purchase everything that I showed on today's video, okay, guys? So thank you so much, guys, for joining me today, and until the next one, be well. Yes! Take care. Yeah!